Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing of a Canon BG-E20. This is a battery grip for a Canon 5D Mark IV. Got all the instruction manuals, the Canon limited warranty, and the warranty details. The actual grip. Looks very similar to the battery grip I had for the 5D Mark III. Although the 5D Mark III did come with a tray for AA batteries. Not that I'll miss that because I never actually used it. We do have a couple extra buttons on here that the Mark III did not have. I can't get the little square off there. Alright, so let's go ahead and mount it on the camera. I did order another battery. Okay, the tray is actually very different from the Mark III because the Mark III tray, there was contacts in the tray. This looks like it's just a cradle that exposes the contacts on the bottom that makes contacts in the bottom of the grip. Okay. Take the hinge off the door or disconnect it. Then you snap it into here for safe storage. Then you can always remove the grip if there's something wrong. A little tricky. Oh wait, okay, it doesn't snap into there, it just kind of pries into there. Makes sense. Next battery in there. It's interesting. So we got a push button here. That's how you lift the batteries out. They snap into place, straight down. Like so. Okay. Screw it in. Alright, there you have it. It's much better for taking portraits. And I do miss not having the grip when I change cameras. If nothing else, with the extended battery life. The battery life is excellent when you have two batteries. It does add weight to the camera, but for how much larger it is, it's actually pretty small. Or pretty light, I mean. So, there it is. It's the new battery grip for the 5D Mark IV. Thank you for watching.